Good morning. Well, I'll tell you what, today it's one extreme to the other across the UK. Eastern parts of the country will enjoy some sunshine, some mild weather. Out towards the west, it's a completely different story. It's been pouring with rain across many western areas overnight. Southern parts of Wales under an amber warning from the Met Office because the rain has been very persistent, heavy for quite some time now. That amber warning is in force until 6 p.m. today. And the clouds just keep on streaming in from the south, and they're stuck over roughly the same region. And anywhere where you have hills out towards the west, we get the most amount of rainfall. And this map shows the extent of the rain, the amount of rain that we're going to get over the next day or so. You can see eastern areas there, hardly any rainfall at all. So in the extreme case, by the time we're through today, we would have seen potentially in some areas up to 200 millimetres of rain across the south of Wales. And on top of that, strong winds as well. These are strong south-southwesterly winds that happens sometimes this time of the year, blowing straight out of the subtropics, bringing all of that moisture. You can see how that rain travels across western parts of the UK into Scotland, Northern Ireland, plenty of heavy showers around too. Out towards the west, temperatures around 12 degrees, still above the average, but the milder conditions are in the southeast. 15, 16, maybe 17 degrees. Now, finally, tonight, that rain is going to abate. In fact, it's going to clear away from Wales, so things will slowly start to dry out. It'll take time, though, because a lot of that water will have ended up in the rivers, so the rivers will stay high. But rain, I think, in the southeast overnight and also across parts of western Scotland, and a really mild night as well. You can see that plume of warm air coming in from the southern climes. It's actually clipping England, particularly the southeast, through tomorrow. So that's where the mildest of the weather is going to be. Out towards the west, brighter weather, not completely dry. There'll still be some clouds around and even the possibility of a little bit of rain there across the West Country, maybe the Midlands too, central southern England. But again, the warmest, the best of the weather will be across the extreme southeast, where it's much fresher conditions there, still above average across western parts of the UK. OK, so what's in store then over the next few days? Well, the best of the weather will remain across the south and the southeast. In fact, it looks as though temperatures will be climbing as we go through the course of the week. In the northwest of the country, always more unsettled, cloud, rain and some wind at times. So that's it. A real mixed bag, as they say today. Back to you two.
Yeah,
certainly
some
is.
of those temperatures as well, looking really warm towards the end of the week, next week. Down then, there are London.